in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this pop-up effect with the new AI model Omniflash. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And well, we're going to use this platform because you can try it for just $1 and follow this tutorial. So once you create the account, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we're going to use the model Omniflash. Now we have to click here and upload our video. For example, this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for...
Now we have to click here, and here where it says describe your video, we have to use this prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click here, and now click in generate. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but I like it a lot, the video. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that you can try this platform for just $1. After saying that, see you in the next video.